Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody giving no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. As you guys know, I just started this new series where I do reviews for you guys, and you guys have been loving them and I do as well. So I am back at it again with another one. And in today's video, I will be reviewing the jwpei handbag. This handbag has been going around social media for a while now, from influencers to celebrities. It's been featured in Vogue, Elle, so it's a very cute, chic, trendy bag, and I just had to get my hands on it. And when I realized as well that it was very affordable, I was like, okay, come through. So the bag that I will be reviewing for you guys today is the jwpei bag. We're going to be unboxing her today, and I'm going to give you all the goods, the deets, and also showing you what it fits. So if you are interested in this bag, then just keep on watching. The bag that I'll be reviewing for you is the jwpei bag, and this is what the box looks like. They sell them on the website, and they also are a seller on Amazon, and I think that's where I purchased mine because at the time they were selling them much cheaper at the time. So I was like, okay, plus the prices of the bags keep fluctuating, so I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna grab mine now before the prices, you know, go up any higher. On the site they sell them for about $89, and I bought mine off Amazon for $79. They kind of fluctuate between $79 and $89. So that's what I did. I got mine. It's still very, you know, nice and sleek. It came in a box, protective gear, everything. And I'm just gonna let you guys know of the product details before we jump into the unboxing and review. This is the jwpei women's Gabby Hobo handbag, and I got it in the color ivory. I am going to say the material of this bag is vegan leather. It is of lambskin leather type. The silhouette is Hobo. It has a magnetic closure, and it has one big compartment and one interior side pocket, and the straps are undetachable, and the inner lining is of faux suede lining, and the handle drop is 5.1 inches, and the bag dimensions, it is 9.6 inches wide by 4.7 inches high, and the depth is about 2.4 inches. You're just gonna jump into the unboxing. So let's go. All right, so of course this is what the box looks like. It's very nice, very cute, sleek. It has like the little marbling, you know, texture going on, or not necessarily texture, but just print. So we are opening her up, and when we open her up, this is what she looks like. So we have the little baggie. Of course, you know, when you buy things, it comes in the little protective baggie, which is super cute. Of course, it is branded with their logo, and this is what she looks like when you open up the baggie and you pull her out. This is her. I got her in the color ivory. We have the logo right here. She has a tag on her with serial number, but this is pretty much what she looks like. Super duper cute. Super duper cute. I'm just zooming real quick. But yeah, so this is what she looks like. I love the shape, the structure of this purse. I love how the handle is just kind of gathered together. I just super duper love it. The pleating, the pattern of it, it's just very, very chic, very cute. I got it in ivory because I've always wanted this like cream off-white color bag. I have some shoes that necessarily didn't really go with anything, so I got this purse to rock with it, and super duper super duper love it. I've been waiting a long time to actually find a purse that has this nice little nude cream color, and this I think is the perfect purse to, you know, dress up any outfit. She's very soft, very smooth, and if you open her up, she has, of course, a magnetic closure, and she is padded, so we're going to take these out. And this is what she looks like, if you guys can see. She has one inner pocket on the back side of the purse that you can put, you know, your cards and everything. And she is very spacious. So right now I'm just going to draw my phone in there just to see if it fits. I have a Galaxy Note 9 and she fits, but I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and it is very affordable, made of vegan leather, and they have a lot more very cute bags. From the scrunched handles to the pleated design of the bag, I will say this is a must-have purse in your wardrobe, especially if you're a bag lover. I think this is kind of, you know, different from the regular normal everyday bags, but I think it's a super hand shoulder. Well, I'm not even sure if it can go over the shoulder. So it does fit on your shoulder, but I really just think it's kind of like, you know, a little arm hand purse, but you can't fit it on your shoulder. But I think this is super cute and it is a must-have. So I think it's definitely a thumbs up for this purse. I really do like it. And I mean, I guess it's very weird for me to do a review on a purse that I don't like, because all these reviews that I do, actually buy them with my own money. But I will say this is a purchase that I do not regret. If you are interested, I'll leave the links of where you can purchase this purse down below. They have a multitude of colors which are super cute. I was thinking about getting the orange just, you know, to have like a pop, but we'll see. They have other designs which I think are super cute, so definitely go and check them out if you are interested in this bag, and I'll definitely be purchasing more purse. So if you do like this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up, as well as subscribe to my channel for more reviews. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Krissy, and I am signing out. Later.